Blocking someone on Venmo is a straightforward process that helps you manage your interactions and privacy on the platform. Follow these steps to block a user effectively. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to the user's profile. Use the search function or navigate through your transaction history to find the profile of the person you want to block. Tap on their name to open their profile page. Step 3. Access profile options. On the user's profile page, look for the 3 dots or the settings icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to access additional options. Step 4. Select Block User. In the Options menu, you will see an option to block user. Tap on this option to initiate the blocking process. A confirmation prompt may appear. Step 5. Confirm the block. Confirm that you want to block the user by selecting Yes or Confirm when prompted. Once confirmed, the user will be blocked and you will no longer receive notifications or be able to interact with them. By following these steps, you can easily block someone on Venmo and maintain your privacy on the platform. If you ever need to unblock someone, you can do so through your account settings.